Hey guys, Super Shark TV, back with another video, and today I have the thing I've been waiting for ages. So basically it came in the mail today, and it's the Fidget Cube. So I'm going to do an unboxing video, but the cool thing is, the first thing I noticed is that it says, this bubble wrap kept your Fidget Cube safe on its journey to you. Take a moment to treat yourself and pop a few. Good idea. If I can get it open. Here we go. My Fidget Cube is here. Here's my Fidget Cube. I went for the graphite colours because I wanted graphite, because graphite colour looks cool. But let me just take these two little side stickers off. That's great. I know people on YouTube and stuff, and people have had problems with them being cracks in it and it's come out, but mine hasn't. Like, it's still in there. That's stuck in there really well. So, it's by Antsy Labs. If you want to get one, they're like 20 quid. But there we go. Got it open. Lid's off. Fidget Cube. So it's got the roll, which is like a ball. Click on bottom. Glide on the left here. Spin on the back. Flip on top. That's really nice. And breathe on the left. So let me just take my Fidget Cube out. Here's my Fidget Cube, yeah! So, my Fidget Cube. So basically, it's got 6 sides. It's a cube, it has to have 6 sides. Oh, they're nice. It's a bit odd, listen. That's on the glide side. The switch, just super easy. Sorry about that car, just went past. He put his music on really loud. Try and do a video. But the switch is really nice. Look, it just tiny tap and it comes down. That's good. That's nice. Then you've got the breeze, which is quite deep in. That's nice. Then you've got the spin. It's got a really nice tactile feel to it. Then you've got the click. So 3 of these click. And these are 2 silent ones, they just squish in. And then you've got the roll, which is like a ball that rolls. Also clicks. And these gears give a really, really nice feedback. You've got the glide, which isn't the best on mine. It's making a plasticky rubby noise. Well, that's cool. Yeah, awesome. So that's my Fidget Cube. And they also put goodies in there. So basically, if you take the little cardboard piece off, there's a little... Oh, that's cute. Oh, no way. A fidget sticker. And a little pouch. So I can put Fidget Cube in there. That's cool. Right. I also ordered something else in the box. It's called the Prism. And meet Prism. Keep your Fidget Cube nearby at all times with Prism. Prism wraps around your Fidget Cube and can be used with or without the included keychain attachment. It won't come open. So anyway, while I'm trying to get the... Oh, yes, I got it open. So, have all you had a nice day? If you've had a nice day, comment yes. But yeah, it's been sunny, very sunny recently. Oh, I got it out. Here's Prism. It's quite long, the chain, and that's huge. So, just to tell you, most people put them on the wrong way and complain about the ball rubbing against it. They do design a little rivet on one of the sides, and that should line up with the ball. So the way you put it on is you put it on the breathe side so it doesn't tamper with any of the things, and just push Fidget Cube why is stuff such a nightmare to get on? That's really hard to get into. There we go, there we go, no! So, anyway. Are you all enjoying this video? Yeah, no, yeah? Tell me. I put it on the wrong way. Let me just sort it out. Get on. There we go. Fidget Cube. So basically, some of this stuff is a little bit hard to get to with this on. Ball still rolls and clicks. Yeah, it's alright. I like it. So yeah, Fidget Cube is great. I just wanted to say that this is a little bit cheap. This one, the glide, because it makes a plastic rubbing noise on it and it doesn't sound very good. But overall, pretty good. My favourite size is a click. You can't do this in class though. If you bring this to school, don't do this because your teacher will probably smack you with a dictionary or something. But if you really want to annoy your teacher. So guys, thanks for watching this video. If you like the Fidget Cube, put a comment and say I love it. See you in the next one. See you guys.